What you're looking at might seem just like a lot of clutter. That clutter came from here, and this morning, as I was cleaning this clutter out, I had actually the downpipe had been blowing off the house, and I figured, well, while I'm up there repairing it, I'll go ahead and clean the gutter out. And this is just some of the clutter. Now, the amazing thing is this is an after the fact pile. And what I actually had done without looking, I just reached overhead and pulled things out, is pulled out a bird nest. Now, I didn't realize it was a bird nest until I come down off the ladder and saw a baby mourning dove or turtle dove lying off to the side. Now, I don't have video of that because despite what everybody else, a lot of people anyhow, seem to think that, well, just let it go. If you put it back, the mother's going to abandon it. I've never believed that, and I thought this is my perfect opportunity to put that to test. So what I had done is gathered up what I could of the nest, put it back up in the gutter, and put the baby in there, and actually did some repair work on the nest. Now, for those who do not believe that the parents will accept the brood back, guess what? You're wrong. After having found the baby, taken the nest, actually reconstructed the nest, the mother is sitting on that nest, has accepted the baby back, and looks quite content. I'm just putting this out here because I'm a nature person. I love nature. And when I saw that, I was horrified. And I don't have any before pictures because my first thoughts was save the baby. So not knowing for sure if it was going to work, I did what I thought I needed to do. I did what basically the educated people, the higher educated people had told me, and what I'd learned about on my own. There's the mother. She's sitting on top of the nest, and everything's fine. That's all I can say. As a matter of fact, if she wants, there goes some light snacks. So just putting it out there. The parents will accept the young back. If you find the babies, if at all possible, pick the nest up as much intact as possible and put it back where you think it came from. This is not exactly where I scooped the nest up, but it's within a foot. So there you are, folks.